So it's the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. As you can see, my hair looks a hot mess. Is lacking so much moisture, it's unreal. I had to run to Sally's as soon as I got up and something about my hair. This can't be life. So I have been looking at this one product. It's a deep conditioner from TGIN. Our Honey Miracle Hair Mask with raw honey and olive oil. This is it right here. I have been eyeing this product down for a while, and I decided to say, you know what, I need a new deep conditioner because my hair is freaking drying out, and it's just, I don't want my hair to break off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this, use this product today and do my first impressions to see how I like it. I looked on YouTube, always go to YouTube for my own personal reviews, just to check out the other women that are using these products to see how they liked it before I purchase anything. It was pretty pricey. I got it from Sally's for $17.99, but from the other reviews, it looks like it's well worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and apply it, and then see how it goes. Okay, stay tuned. I just finished thoroughly washing my hair. Now I'm about to put the deep conditioner in. TGIN, thank God it's natural honey miracle mask with raw honey and olive oil. First, let me just, it doesn't have a strong scent at all. It's very creamy. It's not thick creamy, but it's more rich creamy and silky. Feels silky on my fingers, so I like that. I'm doing it in a certain order. Bear with me. So spray my hair some more. So I'm really loving this deep conditioner. My hair feels like butter. Okay, so I'm done now applying the product. Application process. It's very moisturizing. It's very slippery. I have some chores to get done around the house, and I just want it to really penetrate in my strands. So once I rinse it out, I'm gonna see how it turns out. I'm assuming it's gonna turn out great. I'm so in love with it. That's what I'm gonna do. These little caps. My hair was matted, dry. I look like James Brown when he got arrested. That mugshot. That's what I look like today. I look a hot freaking mess. I have been neglecting my hair and just been busy, the holidays, everything under the sun. My kids been super active with their sports and school, and that's how your hair breaks off. So hopefully this is gonna give me some whatever, and I can't be doing that because I'm today to fix that issue. I'll be back and see how it goes. So the next day, I have rinsed out the conditioner. Actually, let it sit in my hair overnight. My hair was super dry, and I am slapping myself because I never go that long without doing my hair, neglecting myself in some sense. But needless to say, I'm back on track. It's the new year, and I'm super happy with these results. TGIN is going to be one of my favorites. It actually reminds me of Mixed Chicks deep conditioner. The only difference is I think Mixed Chicks texture is much thicker than this one. This is more of like a creamier texture, silkier, but either way, they both are the same, and I wanted to try something different. But Mixed Chick is also one of my top favorites. I also went ahead and purchased their leave-in conditioner. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm about to apply it and see how it goes. The leave-in, very smooth. This leave-in got so much slip. Loving it. I love it. It doesn't feel greasy or heavy. It's just gliding through my hair. Well, I love it when leave-ins do this. Like, oh my god. Yeah, okay. So this is definitely going to be one of my favorite leave-ins. Look how juicy my curls look. And moisture. Oh my god, my hair feels so smooth and silky and soft. Okay, so I'm done finished applying the leave-in conditioner, and this video is meant for the first impressions on the deep conditioner, but I went ahead and talked about this as well. So I do highly recommend this. When I was applying it to my hair, it gave me a ton of slip. My hair feels like silk right now, and I'm super happy, and I love that in a leave-in conditioner. I don't like leave-in conditioners that just very lightweight and just feels like it's just a base. This actually feels like you can actually work this as its own because it has so much moisture. It says it's a lightweight moisturizing leave-in conditioner for all types of hair, but I personally feel like it has more than lightweight, but that's a good thing. I got this from Sally's for $14.99. Actually, they had a sale, buy one get one half off at Sally's as of now, but I definitely probably got this for like $7.99, but it's only, if you just want to buy yourself, it's $14.99. Man, this is a great product. My hair feels so soft and so smooth. I'm raving about it. So yeah. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.